Welcome to Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. Today we're going to be taking you on a cabin tour of M5282. This is a fully accessible handicap stateroom. Hey, welcome to the Valiant Lady. I'm Chet from Sea Lake Journeys. Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is here with me behind the camera, and we're going to show you this inside cabin here on Valiant Lady. This is M282 on deck 5. It's spacious enough. As you can see, my wheelchair rolls easily through that door, and I can do 360s right where I need to. So we're going to start off with the most important place, I think, for an accessible cabin, and that's the bathroom, y'all. This is really the most important place. It is roll in, no ledges. Great shower. Look at this. Fold down seat.
That was probably the easiest fold down seat I've ever seen fold down.
I know, look at how easy that is. A lot of them you gotta wrestle with. This one you don't. All the conditioner, shampoo, and body wash right there where I can actually reach it. All the controls where you can reach them. And the curtain has a rod on it so that you can close the curtain behind you.
Emergency call button. It's the string down there. That's that handle.
And look at the rain shower up overhead. Oh, rain shower. Okay, you got a place to hang your bathrobe up right here. You got plenty of accessible bars for the toilet and a sink that you can reach no problem. On Virgin Voyages on embarkation day, there's no waiting for your cabin to be ready. It's ready when you get on the ship. There's no cruise card to carry with you on Virgin Voyages either. You'll wear a wristband, and that wristband accesses your cabin and also allows you to purchase things on the ship. Besides the bath towels, you will also find a set of beach towels in your cabin to take with you off the ship. Make sure you bring them back though, because they are a charge for them if you don't. Heading straight across here, we got your closet. Are you ready? There it is. The closet had plenty of space for us to put all of our clothes. I almost forgot to show you the other side here. Your life jackets are up in the top shelf. Then you've got your hair dryer and your safe. And the safe's a little bit larger than we found in other cruise lines. The drawers were nice, and here's that wristband I was telling you about earlier. Easy closing drawers too, how about that? Okay, in case of your emergency, you got your evacuation plan up here, so you know how to get out of here, where your muster station drill is. Ours is C6. And check it out, you got your buttons right here.
Lock the door and pick up your dirty dishes.
Pick up your dirty dishes button, y'all. Just push the button if you got dirty dishes in here. How easy is that?
There's your air conditioning control right there.
Remote control air conditioner right there. They know who we are.
See the tablet on the desk to control your TV. Okay, we need to finish the room though first before we do that.
Yeah, we'll do a whole, check out our other video coming up of how this tablet operates and what it operates inside the cabin. Meantime, you got plenty of desk area, got your makeup table.
It's a hot pad for your hair dryer, and not your hair dryer, but your flat irons and curling irons, which is really nice.
The 2 water bottles you see here on the desk are refilled every day at no cost to you. And that little purple octopus, you can take him home for $12. Little beanie.
Cooler refrigerator.
It's not very cold.
It's a cooler then.
I'm gonna say it's a cooler.
Okay. On this side of the bed, we have Emergency, USB, and regular plug. Individual reading light there, individual reading light in the middle, and individual reading light over there. That's because if the beds are split into twin beds.
And there is also two 110 outlets over here and an extra USB.
Now the light, you turn the light on by touching the button on the top.
How about that?
And we never got the bed, so let me get the bed.
Okay. Okay. The bed may seem a little firm to you at first, but we slept like hammers on this thing. Really good night's sleep. I gave the bed a thumbs up. Thanks for going on our tour of cabin M5282. That's on deck 5. Thanks for joining us. We're Sea Lake Journeys. I'm Chet. Robin's behind the camera. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.